everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Enid and today I'm going to show you how to prepare nice means chops. But before we get started, if anyone out there is new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now here first I have taken 200 grams of means which I have washed well. Now this we are going to marinate with salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix it well and set it aside for 15 minutes. Next keep a pot on the gas stove, add 2 tablespoons of oil. We are now going to add 1 big size onion finely chopped. Saute it well till it gets translucent. Once it is done, we are going to add 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped. Saute this well as well till it gets nice, soft and meshy. We will now add 1 green chili finely chopped. Now it's time for us to add in the masala, that is 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well. We will now add in the marinated means into it and mix this well into it. Once you have mixed it well, now this here I have added half cup of frozen peas. Now mix them well into the means. I am adding half a cup of water. Mix everything well and now cover the lid and allow it to cook till it is well cooked. So as you guys can see, it is nicely, the mince has been cooked and the water too has been evaporated. Now we will add handful of coriander leaves finely chopped. Mix everything well and let it cook for at least another 2 minutes. So now as you guys can see, it is done. Now we are going to keep it aside and allow it to cool. Next I have taken 2 big size potatoes which I have boiled and mashed. Now these we are going to form into a ball and we are going to flatten it up so that we can add our means mixture into it. So now once this is done, we are going to take 1 tablespoon of the mixture and we are going to cover it on all the sides. So you see, this is the way how you need to do it, and then shapen it up so that it is nice and round on all the sides. This way you need to keep ready all your chops. Once your chops are ready, keep a pan on the gas stove, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, here now I have taken 1 egg and semolina at the side. So we are going to apply the egg on all the sides. I'm not going to dip the chop directly into the egg mixture so that my chops don't get too soggy. So this way you need to apply and then apply semolina onto your chops on all the sides. Once it is done, we are going to place it into a frying pan. We will add more oil if required and we are going to allow them to cook nicely on both the sides. So when one side is done, we are going to flip it off and allow them to be done on the other side as well. So you see, they look so nice and delicious. So this way we are going to prepare all and they are done. So there you go everyone, our mince chops are all ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching the recipe. If you did, please to share it also with your friends and family, and also to let me know in the comment section how well you liked it. Till then, I'm going to catch you guys next time with yet another recipe. Bye bye.